Hello everyone, right now I want to do a live video of this my grinder. You can see this is my grinder, so I want to grind some seeds now, like black pepper seed. I want to grind it. I also want to grind this one. You can see this one, we call it Oda Uziza seed, and this one is Oda black pepper seed in my own so you know better, it's for pepper soup spice. All these things are pepper soup spice, so I will mix the two together. Let's see the outcome. So right now I'm going to cover it and on my listing. Okay, so once I've covered it now,